Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need an Apple ID, a connected device, and an internet connection before you begin. Once ready, open Settings on iPhone or System Preferences on Mac, then tap your name and select iCloud. Make sure Mail is enabled. When you toggle it on the first time, you'll be offered to create an @iCloud. Com address. Choose a clear handle, your name or a professional variant, because it appears in every message. This step starts the account creation and links Mail to your Apple ID. Once you reach the address screen, type your preferred handle, and if it's unavailable, try 2 or 3 variants, add numbers or initials. After selecting an address, provide a recovery email and make sure two-factor authentication is active. This protects access and lets you recover the account. Next, configure your display name so recipients see a clear identity, and adjust basic mail preferences like thread view and sync frequency. These choices determine how you send and receive messages. After creating the address, confirm any on-screen prompts and sign out, then back in if mail doesn't appear. You should send a test message to a secondary address and reply to confirm incoming delivery. Make sure attachments and signatures work as expected. If mail sync seems delayed, force a refresh or restart the device. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, verify your Apple ID is verified, confirm two-factor authentication is functioning, and check network connectivity before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.